Hi guys, Amanda here. I'm coming at you with another, well, actually it's been a while. This is long overdue. You could tell I've been through many hair changes since I just put on some concealer, and then I'm going in with this white shade from the ColourPop Frosty the Snowman palette on my brow bone. I love the white in this. I'm gonna lie because I really don't know the name of it right now, but I did indicate it on the screen. It's just so small that I can't read it anymore. And then we're gonna go in with the shade Topping from the Strawberry Milkshake palette. And I'm just popping this into the crease and kind of creating a transition to that white shade. And in this video, we are going to be playing with the shadowed Petal palette. So yeah, I'm just building up this color until I'm really happy with it, and I think that it's the perfect time to post this video because it's very Valentine's Day-y. Let me know if you guys like me indicating the shade at the top of the screen. Anyways, this is the shade Serene Whisper from the Shadowed Petal palette, and I'm putting that on my outer V area and kind of dragging that in to create some depth. I love the shades inside of this palette, and I think you guys really are too. It creates such easy, like, effortless looks too, but then you could also bring in bright pops of color like I did for this look. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just scrambling. Let me know if you like this, like, video format. Oh, it looks like I'm kind of alternating between Topping and Serene Whisper. And I'm just reinforcing that white again and making sure that the brow bone is really bright and highlighted. All right, now I'm going in with Lush Desire. Oh my God, the shimmers in this palette. They create the most romantic, like, it's like soft goth romantic looks, and I love it so much. It's so high impact and sparkly, and we really, like, I feel like I did my thing on this palette. Next, we're going in with Twilight Rose. It is the most beautiful, like, icy, super sparkly. It looks like it's a soft baby pink, but it definitely gives off like a silvery finish to it, like a pearly kind of finish. But yeah, I'm just putting that onto the inner corner and really building up that brightness. It looks like I'm going back in with Serene Whisper and just applying that under the eye, and then going in with Topping and blowing that out even further. Do you like these style videos? Please let me know. If you like just focusing on the eyes. Oh, it looks like I went in with this, is it a kimchi? I think I went in with a kimchi highlighter. And then I'm gonna go over it with Unearthly Ghost Loose Pigment because it is just the most beautiful, like, iridescent purple. And I'm so sorry that I keep going in and out of frame. I need to definitely perfect these close-up style videos. Anyways, I love this loose pigment because when you turn, it just vanishes. Oh, I think this is Diamond Crumbles from MAC. It is like a liquid shadow. It's so pretty, and I wanted to bring in a little bit more of that purpliness that is like inside of Ghost. And it's creating like a nice transition between Twilight Rose and Lush Desire here. I'm really trying to just make an effort to use some products before they dry out in my drawer. Alright, here's Carnage Lip Liner from Unearthly, and then I went in with a Lawless Gloss. Thank you, Ellie, for this gloss, by the way. And then we're going in with some lashes and the Benefit Fan Fest mascara, which I love. This was in my favorites video. Popping on those lashes. I think I really struggled this day too. I don't know what was going on. I don't think maybe I didn't wait long enough for the glue to dry. Oh, I'm going in with the Moon Dust from Urban Decay, and then we're like making it extra special. Just adding more and more sparkles to this look, like it really needed any more. I'm doing it like a cut crease and then kind of flicking it up. I love the like multicolored sparkles in this liner. You just have to layer it up quite a bit. And I'm just built, like I said, I'm layering and layering until I'm really happy with where that line is, because I wanted it to be really defined. And we're gonna ignore the fact that I clearly did not blend out the contour under my nose. I'm going in with the Melt Cosmetics. It's like a white eyeliner in my waterline. These liners are exceptional. So if you are, I mean, I might just be late to the game, but if you're in the market for some liners, I highly recommend this. Anyways, I popped in a lens so that you could see it weird and cool. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and being patient with me while I get my warehouse in order and I live mom life and do my thing. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.